guys, we're gonna open 2 blind boxes. So I got this one. It can move eyes. I don't know. And then now we're gonna open this one.
Close your eyes.
Can I get the card?
Yeah.
Get
Close
the
your eyes.
card.
Close your eyes.
Okay, guys.
Hindi nakakatawa. Yung umiikot yung mata. Ito yung nahanap niya eh. Gusto niya umiikot yung mata eh. Yan na.
Bakit na nakaikot na agad?
Ikot yung mata niya. Bango.
Ito hindi na
Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang.
Next.
Yung mata niya.
Next, guys. Next.
Ito naman ang gingi.
What are we gonna open next?
Nakpadi ako ng yellow.
Hey guys. I'm so excited. What am I gonna get? For the opening. Ow.
Close your eyes.
I got the rabbit.
The cutest. Wow, how many?
This one.
1, 2, 3. So cute. Which one is your favorite?
I like this one. It's Quiet Rabbit.
That's ano? Sino yan?
Quiet Rabbit.
That's si Quiet Rabbit. Isa si Dumpy Elephant.
Angry Tiger. I have these two.
Ang dami mo na.
These two.
Meron pang isa, di ba? Yung yellow pa yung...
We have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Bye-bye.